Gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And yesterday I posted a video about LocalWP. Basically, this video was how to get a WordPress that's out live and online, how to get that WordPress site on your local, on your desktop, on your laptop. And for designers, developers, just people that don't want to work on it on their own and not want it out there live and can manipulate it on their own computer. The reasons why, I mean, that's up to you. I'm just here to teach you how to do it, not to necessarily know why you're doing it, right? So this video will be linked down in the description if you want to learn how to do a live site and put it on your desktop. This one's I'm kind of going in reverse. I probably should have done this one first. This is to introduce you to Local and how to download it and get it on your computer so you can use it. This is just because I created an account. Let me go to Local to start with. So I'll have the link down in the description, of course. But sir, just put Local WP in your browser if you need to. Here's the download right here. It's going to ask you what version of what platform you're using. I'm using Windows 11, so obviously put your platform accordingly. So just download it and you'll get the executive file. You know how to download stuff. You know how to install it. It's very easy. You get the exec file, just double click it, just follow the instructions and it will load right in there. Pretty easy. If you have any problems with that, certainly in the description, let me know and we'll deal with those, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Then you can create an account. I'm already logged in. So if you can get these verification emails, let me know if you do, because I signed up yesterday. I still haven't received any. So this is all self-explanatory stuff. If you sign up for an account, I mean, you can put your profile. I got my emails. I linked up to Google and GitHub. GitHub if you're a developer, and then you can delete your account if you want right there. All right, so let's get rid of one of these and let's get into the application itself. Once you've installed it onto your computer, and I had this up. I just want to, so you should have an icon like this, or just put in Local in your search bar down there. Sorry, I just woke up. Sorry if I'm coughing. I always get coughing fits in the morning. All right, and then bring it up. It might ask you if you want to link it to your site. As you see, to your account online, you just hit this and you can log. You can go like to my account and it'll pop up right here, or I'll have you log in. All right, so this is the example I used on that particular video. This is making comic studios. So that's the video I made yesterday. And then we're going to do a brand new application today, though. So you're just going to go up here in this bar right here. Okay, it's as simple as adding a new site. I'm going to create a new site. You can upload as a zip file, meaning if you have a zip file of a WordPress application that you're already using, you can do it there. I did that yesterday, so seek out that other video if you want to learn how to do that. Let's create a new site. What are we going to call it? So I have a YouTube. What is today? I have a YouTube channel called What Is Today. I don't have a website for it, so we'll use that. All right, and we'll give you a custom domain there. We'll create one for you. I'm just going to keep the path as is, and we're going to continue. I'm not going to do any customization. If you want to change it's all self-explanatory. If you want to change your SQL database, your server, your PHP, if you're more in tune to do that, do it. But if you're a newbie, let's just go preferred. Okay. So just CA Mosier, who is me, and then password for my admin, and I'm just going to leave what the email is. I don't need email anyway, so it's neither here nor there. All right, as you can see, it's provisioning service. You can't probably see this, what I'm recording, but it popped up as, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And yep, it's not going to harm anything. You can go ahead and do that. Not a problem. You can create a group if you want to share with other people. They all need accounts. They need local WP accounts as well. So here we go. We got a brand new spanking WordPress 6.22, which is the latest version of WordPress. Okay, if you go here to the database, if you open administrator, it's going to be like your PHP admin In your cPanel, same deal, MySQL. It's the same commands and everything. If you know how to use this database, it's all the same. It's just the interface might be a little different, but it's pretty much the same as it normally would be. Tools you can use, Mailhog. So basically what Mailhog does is capture your emails for this particular program, for this particular application that you're using. And live links, if you want to get into it, is basically sharing links with other people if you're a developer and want to share the site with other people. But everyone's got to have a local site account for that. Pretty self-explanatory here. If you want to go where the folder is for the application, here it is right here. Here's my local folder address to get to that. I don't know shell, so I wouldn't know what the hell I'm doing. So you can hit that if you know what you're doing. Go to town. All right, so here is two good tools. So you want to get into your admin, and then we'll just I just created what I just showed you. Oops, fat fingers. Damn it. Oh, fat fingers, that's all. Remember me, log in. All right, and we'll save that for the Googles so I don't have to do that next time. And there we go, new spanking application, WordPress application for you. Now there's two ways to get to the site. I mean, you probably know this. I usually just right click and hit open a new tab, or you can just come up here and open the site, either or. All right, and then it's just like normal WordPress. If you want to get plugins or change your theme, you just go right, search installed themes, add new, and yeah, it's not any different than normal WordPress. Right out on the interwebs through your provider, or if you want to get your own themes, you just go themes. Same deal with plugins. So this isn't a tutorial on how to use WordPress. I have plenty of those out there, and I'll actually put some of those in the description. I have a long tutorial on how to use WordPress. So once you get into this, I mean, it's just that tutorial is going to be just as good for you as if it was live. This just happens to be on your computer and on your desktop. So it's as simple as that. It's a great application. It's a great tool. I initially used it to download my Making Comics Studios page so I could see it while I was creating another page, so I could have both in my view. So I was doing a Drupal tutorial, and I had, for my Making Comic Studios, I had a SharePoint site that I had, and then I just wanted to keep an eye on this site as well. Let's see if it opens up. It's not really that important. It's not part of this tutorial. Here we go. If it wants to open, there we go. And then I can just bring this over here, and then I can make comparisons between the two. That's what I used it for, if you care. All right, guys and gals, I'm always long in the tooth, I know. So there was a comment that I had earlier a few days ago saying how I babble or I mumble or I bumble. Tough shit. It's my teaching style. If that guy doesn't like it, he can go to another website. He doesn't have to listen to me. All right, gals and guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope this tool is helpful for you. It's pretty fun, and I like it a lot. And I will be playing with it after I get off this tutorial. And please subscribe. Always looking for subscribers. Of course, want to monetize. Of course, I'd like to do that for the channel. Please thumbs up if this tutorial was helpful for you and you liked it. Please share for any WordPress friends you may have, and hit the bell and all that fun stuff. And that's it for this time. Short and sweet, gals and guys. I'll catch you later.